Hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to call this part 2 because I cut it short on the last video from Spastic Pops. The last video was Spastic Pops, where I pulled the lime green Sour Patch Kid, which was the top pop in the Dirty Dozen. Very grateful for that $160 pop. So that was an awesome pull, guys. I was super stoked. And then I added to my Kill Bill collection, which you can see right here. Added the Bride. So now I have Cottonmouth and the Bride. Got 2 more coming. Should be here maybe by the weekend, if not by Monday. And then I got 2 more to order to complete that set as well. So today we have a PopTopia. I bought 2 mystery boxes. They were $25 each. And I am in search for the Sith Trooper, the Louis Blue Raspberry, con exclusive Otter Pop, and of course Super Freddy. Those are the top pulls. I'm going to go ahead and put up those pictures now so you can kind of take a look at everything that's in this box. So there is the top 3. Then you can also see, and I have them pulled up here on my computer as well so I can look at them as well. Then we have a second page with a bunch of chases. Should be great to get some of these. Some of these I need. Some of them I already have. But really cool pops. There's some chases. The ones I'm really after, I already have Persona 5 ones. I would love to get another Office chase. That one's probably would be my favorite one out of all of them. And then of course the top 2 ones. Let me see what those are. I'm trying to look. I'm trying to see what they are. And I think they're also doing, which I didn't get, obviously the Jaws, and then there's Scott Pilgrim. It looks like a 2-pack from Overwatch, and then there is a, I can't see because it's so small, I don't have my glasses on. But then you see the third wall there too with a bunch of commons. Got some Pennywise and some Stitches, some other cool stuff. So I just want to get right into the video, guys. I want to get right into it, and let's knock this out. So we got 4 pops. We got 2 mystery boxes, $25 each. So paid 50 plus tax. I think it was like $63 for ship. I mean, all together with shipping. So we got 4 pops, $63 invested. We'll pull prices as soon as I pull the pop. We'll pull the prices. Got the box opened. I'm gonna feel around and see how they come in here. Okay, I just saw this. That's it. Okay, so here's the papers. We're going to put those to the side. And then we have, okay, so we have 4 individually paper wrapped pops. So we'll just pull them. I don't remember which boxes I picked. I think it was 39 and 65 were my 2 choices. 39 and 65 were the 2. They'll have a sticky note on there, so we'll see what I get, guys. I'm stoked. I'm just hoping to get no BTS pops. This one feels like it might be in a pop protector, but I don't know. With this paper on it, who knows? So let's see what we get. 4 pops again. We're looking at $63 with shipping included. Let's see if we get back some of that value here. So this is definitely a pop protector before, or pop shield. Okay, here we go. I don't know if it's facing you or facing me. I have no clue. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we got a Chrome Yoda, gold Chrome Yoda. I already have this one, but I'm definitely, and it was from box 39, by the way. So really happy to get another one. He definitely has some value to him, so let's look him up. That's a cool pop too. I do have him already, but it is a cool one to have for sure. And I've always said that if you're going to do Chrome, which kind of gets old sometimes, unless they're Batman pops and they never get old, but when they overdo them, Yoda is perfect green. Like, that's the perfect color for Yoda. So this one is worth, it's the shared exclusive, not the con exclusive. So this one has a $20 value on it. Right? Now the con sticker is a $55 value, but this is a $20 value. Again, we paid $63, so okay, so I'm gonna pull the bottom one because it feels, I don't know if maybe they're all going to be in protectors. Okay, so here we go. Pulling the second one here. Excited. right, I don't see what's in here. I'm gonna let you guys take a sneak peek here. I'm covering it so I don't get to see what we got. I have no clue what this is. I don't even know if it's on camera or not. Okay. Oh, okay. So this, I did see a sticky note. So that should be number 65. So this should be the top pull. I'm hoping, well, I'm not hoping, but it should be the top pull from that one. I'm hoping it's a good one. And we got it. Which one do we have? Because I have all of them. We have the Pennywise FYE exclusive. I do have that one already, which is a really cool one. He is holding the hat there. It's kind of hard to see the hat because the hat's right behind here. But he's holding the hat there for sure. You can see it from the side view. It's a cool pull. And then we got two other ones to pull still. So we got Pennywise FYE. Now that one, again, and some of these are new, so the prices might be inflated on them, which is kind of not that good for collectors like myself, because that means flippers are making a lot of money right now. So we have this is worth $13. Okay, so total right now we have $33. Again, $63 with shipping. So we're about $30 short of that. So let's see what we have in the next one. We got two more to go. This one and one more. So again, I'm going to let you guys see what this is. I don't know if it's upside down. I can't see anything. I'm letting it be covered. So let's see what we get here. Hopefully it's one of the chases, man. I really hope it's one of the chases. I hope it's one I don't have, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what we get. I'll be happy with whatever I get because there was no BTSs in the picture. So it's a win already. Just by getting it delivered, it's a win. No BTSs. So we're good. We're good, guys. We're good. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Boom. I don't have Knowsmore. I don't have this one. Maybe I do. I don't know. I don't know if I have this one. Maybe I did get him because I do love owls. I don't know because, you know, he dropped so long ago. Let me see how much he's worth. That's a cool pop, though. I might be giving that one. That one might be going into the Sophia Foundation, which means she gets any duplicates that I don't need and that she would love to have. And I know she would love to have this one. So that's a $7 pop. That puts us at $33. So now we're at $40. We're $23 short. I'm including shipping. $23 short. I don't know if we're going to pull a $23 pop on the last one, but hopefully we do. But we'll see. But this one might be going to Sophia if I don't have it. I have to double check if I have it. If I do have it, it's going to the Sophia Foundation, which is my daughter's room. Alright guys, last one in the box. This is a pretty cool mystery box. Overall, I'm pretty happy, man. That green Yoda is a real nice one. Yeah, it's a cool one. So here we go. Last one. I don't know what this is. I'm letting you guys look at it again. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Axel Foley. I have this one. So this is definitely not a $23 pop. So whoever pulled that Sith or that Freddy got lucky because some of my money helped pay for that box. Saying that after I paid $58 and I pulled a $160 Sour Patch Kid, it's kind of hard to be sour or salty when you just, I mean, I'm still wearing the same clothes, still shirt, like this is just, yeah, it's hard to be salty when you just pulled that about an hour ago. So let's see what this guy pulls up as, and then we will wrap this video up. Axel Foley comes in at, this is not the one with the banana, this is the non-banana, which is actually worth more money, $13. Wow. So that pushed us up to $53. We missed our target, so I paid $50, right? So $3 over, but then shipping, it was about $63 total. So missed our mark by $10 if you want to include the shipping. Or you could just say, you know, each pop protector is worth $1, so there's an extra $4. Then you're really pushing. But overall, listen, guys, PopTopia has always been good to me. I'm not complaining. This is no salt here, man. This is all love. Like, I'm very happy with what I got. I just bought this like last week, but that's, or the week before, but that's okay, man. These are the 4 that I ended up getting. I know where Axel Foley's going because I know somebody that wants it. One of my coworkers, so I'm gonna definitely hook him up. Love the owl, that's probably going to stay in my collection if I don't have it, or it's going to go to the Sophia Foundation, which is her room. And then of course these two, I'm okay with having duplicates of, you know, of these. So got a duplicate, and they might end up on a future giveaway. We'll see. They might end up on a future giveaway, but right now they're going to stay in my collection as a duplicate. I'm okay with that. My favorite pops, usually I buy 2 of. So and I don't buy a lot of. I don't have a lot of duplicates. Less than 100 for sure of my duplicates. But yeah, it's a pretty cool box, guys. So thank you to PopTopia. I do appreciate it. Overall, I'm pretty satisfied with this box. This was the best pull of the night here. We got the green chrome Yoda, which is really dope. Really cool pop. So yeah, it's a cool pop, guys. This one's a really cool one to have. So that's it, guys. Those are my 4 pops that I pulled. Thank you for watching. Please be kind to one another, and hopefully you guys are watching this on the premiere with me. I will be there live when this drops, Thursday at 9 p.m. Central. Hopefully you guys are live watching it with me. If so, I'm already saying hi to you in the chat, but I'm also saying hi to you right now. So I'll see you guys tomorrow night when this premieres, and hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.